Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of various products. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Fitbit lovers out there. The Maledan Compatible bands for Fitbit Versa 2 and other Fitbit models. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the Maledan Compatible bands. These bands are designed for Fitbit Versa 2, as well as Fitbit Versa, Versa Lite, and Versa SE. They're made to replace your old bands, giving your Fitbit a fresh new look. One of the standout features is the long-lasting durability. These bands are crafted from premium nylon materials with a braided design, ensuring they can handle everyday wear and tear, making them suitable for various activities. Now, let's talk about comfort. The Maledan bands are made of soft and flexible fabric, providing a comfortable wearing experience. Unlike silicone bands, these are milder and less irritating to the skin. Plus, the braided structure promotes excellent air circulation, preventing excessive sweating and keeping your wrist fresh and dry. Adjustability is key, right? These bands are designed to fit wrists ranging from 5.43 inches to 8.58 inches, catering to a wide range of users. The stainless steel tang buckle ensures a secure fit. Maledan offers these bands in a variety of stylish colors, allowing you to choose the one that suits your style and preference. Installing these bands is a breeze. They're designed to seamlessly fit your Fitbit, minimizing the risk of them falling off. No need to worry about complicated installations. In conclusion, the Maledan Compatible bands for Fitbit Versa 2 and other Fitbit models offer durability, breathability, and style. They've received positive feedback from users, making them a solid choice for upgrading your Fitbit. If you're looking to give your Fitbit a fresh look and feel, make sure to check out these Maledan bands. You can find the link in the description below. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.